Transform your ordinary slides into polished visual masterpieces by mastering the art of adding borders in PowerPoint. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add impactful borders to various elements on your PowerPoint slides, instantly boosting their professionalism and clarity. Let's begin by inserting a shape onto our slide. Navigate to the Insert tab and select Shapes. For this example, we'll choose a simple rectangle. Now, with the shape selected, you'll see the Shape Format tab appear at the top. Click on it to add a border. We'll use the Shape Outline option. Click on Shape Outline from the drop-down menu. You can choose your desired border color. Let's pick a contrasting blue. Next, let's adjust the border's thickness. Go back to Shape Outline and this time, select Weight. You can choose from various standard thicknesses, or even more options if you click Weight again. See how that immediately adds definition. Now, what if you want a dashed or dotted border instead of solid? Go back to Shape Outline, and this time, select Dash. You have a variety of styles to choose from. You can apply borders to text boxes too. Simply click on your text box, go to the Shape Format tab, and use the same Shape Outline options. You'll find the same color, weight, and dash style options available for text boxes, allowing you to frame your important text. For a truly impactful design, consider outlining entire slides. While there isn't a direct border tool for the slide background itself, we can achieve a similar effect. Insert a large shape, like a rectangle, that covers the entire slide. Then, go to Shape Fill and select No Fill. This makes the shape transparent, but its outline remains visible. Now, adjust the shape outline color and weight as we did before to create a border around your entire slide. And there you have it, a powerfully bordered slide. By adding borders, you guide the viewer's eye, organize information, and elevate the overall aesthetic of your presentation. Experiment with different styles, colors, and thicknesses to find what works best for your content. Happy presenting!